On today's episode, dalawin natin sa North Cotabato ang Natural Food Women's Producers Cooperative at alamin kung paano ginagawa ang isa sa mga produktong galing sa Tree of Life, ang cocoa sugar. Know the addition to the numerous products derived from the coconut plant and how it provides livelihood to the women of Carmen, Cotabato. Cocoa sugar is an emerging high-value product derived from the coconut sap or the locally known tuba. It has 12 to 18% sugar in its natural form and contains important vitamins and amino acids.
Ang kagandahan kasi ng cocoa sugar is low glycemic index. Yung glycemic index ng cocoa sugar is 35. Ang kaibahan talaga dito is good for diabetic person, good for health.
Cocoa sugar has gained popularity among the health enthusiasts and diabetics worldwide. With its demand getting bigger both in the local and international markets, it has become an additional source of income for the coconut farmers.
Nakapag-export ang aming buyer ng mga nasa mga 2 tons lang kami noon starting. Pero ngayon, at this point in time, mula January hanggang June, 50,000 kilos na kami.
Transforming coconut sap to sugar requires only simple and basic equipment. Its production and marketing can be easily undertaken by farm-level enterprises and cooperatives.
Kung meron kang isang kawa, meron kang lutuan na ordinary na pwedeng panglutuan, siguro meron kang mga 2,000 to 5,000, pwede ka na makaumpisa. Kagaya ng ginagawa ng ngayon ng women's, nag-start talaga yan sila sa ordinary drum, yun lang ang pinaglulutuan. Until sa nag-improve dahil lumalaki yung demand sa cocoa sugar.
The Aroma Natural Food Women Producers Cooperative in Carmen, North Cotabato is considered as one of the top producers of cocoa sugar in the country. The organization does not only generate more income for the coconut farmers, but also provides an alternative livelihood for the women.
Tinayo ang kooperatiba dahil po sa dagdag kabuhayan ng mga babae. Pinili namin na mga babae ang magtrabaho dahil alam namin na tayong mga babae is mahaba ang ating pasensya.
The production of cocoa sugar gave the women an opportunity to change their lives and support the needs of their families.
Ako nakahuna-una ko sulod ining cocoa sugar tungod sa akong kalisod. Ang sa una og karon kay murag hapsay kayo among pamuyo, kay murag hapsay diri ang trabaho diri nanay kausbanan nga.
As the cooperative continues to expand on its market, their advice to those hoping to enter the cocoa sugar business is to train well and be excellent in this agribusiness.
So for private entrepreneur o mga farmers dyan na gusto talaga sila na mag-venture nito, mas maganda kung sarili ninyo yung inyong mga niyugan na kukunan ng tuba. Dapat buo ang loob ninyo at meron kayong tiyaga. Saka meron kayo talagang passion sa inyong gustong pasukan na gaya nito negosyo.